What's up, YouTube? You3000 here, and today I got 9 packs of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy to open for you. So here we go. Let's open these up. See if we get, like a Draco sack or a Spellbook of Judgment. Let's open this up here. First pack. See what we got out of the first pack. Come on, a Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo and a rare baby dragon. And you got the Hulk. Look at that. He look like the Hulk. Look at him. He looks like the Hulk wearing the mask and gloves. It's the Hulk. Okay, next pack. Here we go. See if we can get something out of here. A Ice Beast Zero Fine and just a rare in that one. Next pack. Come on. So get something good. Fairy Cheer Girl and another rare. Try to get a ghost or something. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, here we go. Will of Prophecy and a Torrential Reborn. Secret rare. Oh man, that ain't the secret rare I wanted. What is the secret? Another baby dragon. Okay, we got 5 more packs left. Come on, can I get another secret? I've done that before. Trifortriceps. Just a rare. And take a look, they're always together in the same. If you notice, they're always together. The Hulk and the King of the Feral Imps. It's weird. Let's see if they do it again. A Altitude Knight. Just a rare. Come on. You can get something other than just one secret. A Battling Boxer Lead Yak. 2 more packs left. Only got 1 hollow secret rare Torrential Reborn. Come on, let me get something else. Come on, Heart of the Cards. A Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo and a Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Tracer. And this one has dots on the top of there. You can see that. There's a lot of little white dots. That's pretty cool. And the last pack. Come on. Let me get a ghost or like an ultra or something. Or an ultimate. Let's see. That looks like there might be something in there. Come on, last pack. Heart of the Cards. Don't fail me now. Harpy's Pet. Phantasmal Dragon. And a Fire Formation Gyoku. So we have a super rare. So here we go. We got 2 super rares. Fire Formation Gyoku. A Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Tracer. And a Torrential Tribute. So everything is for sale or trade. Just PM me. But I might be keeping this Turtle Tracer because of the little dots. So yeah. Please like and subscribe. And see you later.